Welcome to the Quick Advisors. This is the top 20 must-do science activities in New York City. 1. The American Museum of Natural History. Explore over 45 permanent exhibition halls showcasing dinosaur fossils, a 94-foot blue whale model, the Hall of Biodiversity, and the Milstein Family Hall of Ocean Life, with interactive displays like the Discovery Room. Attend immersive space shows at the Hayden Planetarium, or view special exhibitions on topics like human evolution. The museum houses one of the world's largest natural history collections, with over 34 million specimens and artifacts. Watching a planetarium show narrated by renowned scientists such as Neil deGrasse Tyson is an epic experience. The museum's fossil halls include the world's largest collection of dinosaur skeletons, thrilling visitors with their scale and historical significance. 2. The Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum. Tour the USS Intrepid aircraft carrier, view the Space Shuttle Enterprise, and explore the Growler submarine through detailed exhibits. Engage with flight simulators or learn about maritime and aerospace technology in the Explorium. The Intrepid survived multiple kamikaze attacks during World War II, earning its status as a National Historic Landmark. Standing in the Space Shuttle Pavilion, marveling at Enterprise, is an epic moment. The museum's collection includes rare artifacts like a Concorde jet, offering a glimpse into aviation history. 3. The New York Hall of Science. Discover over 450 interactive exhibits including the Design Lab and Connected Worlds, focusing on physics, biology, and technology. Participate in workshops or view science demonstrations that make learning engaging. Built for the 1964 New York World's Fair, it remains a leading STEM education center. Exploring the CityWorks exhibit, which delves into urban engineering, is an epic experience. The museum's design-make-play approach encourages visitors to think like scientists, fostering creativity and critical thinking. 4. Museum of Mathematics, often called MoMath. Here you can interact with fascinating exhibits like the square-wheeled tricycle and the Enigma machine, both designed to make mathematical concepts accessible and fun. You can also attend lectures or family programs that explore math's role in everyday life. MoMath is North America's only museum dedicated solely to mathematics. Engaging with the Harmony of the Spheres, a musical sculpture, is truly an epic experience. Exhibits crafted by mathematicians and artists create a unique blend of logic and creativity. 5. SPYSCAPE. Dive into the world of espionage with exhibits on code breaking, surveillance, and deception detection, featuring interactive challenges. Learn about the technology behind spying through real artifacts and simulations. Designed by former intelligence officers, SPYSCAPE offers an authentic look into covert operations. Completing the spy profile assessment to discover your intelligence role is an epic moment. The museum showcases gadgets from historical espionage cases, thrilling visitors with tales of intrigue. 6. New York Transit Museum. View vintage subway cars and exhibits on the engineering of New York City's transit system in a decommissioned Brooklyn station. Explore displays on subway construction and urban planning history. The museum's 1936 station setting provides an authentic backdrop for its collection. Stepping into a subway car from the early 1900s and imagining early urban travel is an epic experience. Special exhibitions often highlight the technological innovations that shaped modern transportation. 7. South Street Seaport Museum. Tour historic ships like the Wavertree and learn about maritime technology through exhibits and artifacts. Attend lectures or view displays on New York's seafaring past. The museum preserves over 30,000 artifacts reflecting NYC's maritime heritage. Standing on the deck of the Wavertree, a wrought iron sailing ship, is an epic moment. The museum's collection includes rare navigational tools, offering insights into the science of seafaring. 8. The Bronx Zoo. Observe over 6,000 animals across 265 acres, including exhibits like Congo Gorilla Forest and the World of Birds. Attend educational talks or view conservation-focused displays. Operated by the Wildlife Conservation Society, it's a global leader in species preservation. Watching a sea lion feeding session, learning about marine biology, is an epic experience. The zoo's breeding programs for endangered species, like the snow leopard, contribute to global conservation efforts. 9. the New York Botanical Garden. Explore 250 acres of gardens, including the Enid A. Haupt Conservatory, with exhibits on plant science and biodiversity. Attend lectures or view seasonal displays like the Orchid Show. The garden houses over 1 million living plants, a National Historic Landmark. Entering the conservatory's tropical rainforest exhibit is an epic immersion into botany. The Mertz Library, with over 550,000 volumes, is a hidden gem for plant science research. 10. The New York Aquarium. View marine life, including sharks and penguins, in exhibits like Ocean Wonders, Sharks, and attend educational presentations. Learn about ocean conservation through interactive displays. The oldest continually operating aquarium in the United States opened in 1896. Standing in the shark tunnel, surrounded by marine life, is an epic experience. The aquarium's efforts to save endangered sea turtles highlight its conservation impact. 11. The Museum of Illusions. Discover over 70 exhibits on optical illusions, holograms, and perception, blending physics and psychology. Engage with displays that challenge your senses and understanding of reality. The museum uses neuroscience principles to create mind-bending experiences. Experiencing the Ames Room, where perspective alters size perception, is an epic moment. Designed for photography, the exhibits encourage sharing your illusionary adventures online. 12. The New York City Fire Museum. Explore exhibits on firefighting history, including antique fire engines and safety technology, in a 1904 Bovart firehouse. View displays on the evolution of fire prevention. The museum honors firefighters' bravery, including those lost on 9/11. Seeing a historic fire engine from the 18th century is an epic experience. The museum's memorial to 9/11 firefighters adds emotional depth to the visit. 13. Artechouse New York. Immerse yourself in digital art installations that combine technology and creativity, often with interactive elements. View rotating exhibits that explore themes like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Artechouse leads the digital art movement, pushing artistic boundaries. Engaging with an installation that responds to your presence is an epic experience. Collaborations with tech artists ensure each exhibit is a cutting-edge exploration of innovation. 14. Sloomoo Institute. Learn about the chemistry of slime through hands-on exhibits, including slime-making stations and sensory play areas. Explore displays on slime's cultural impact. Slime's popularity has garnered millions of social media views. Creating your own slime with unique textures and colors is an epic experience. The Institute's partnerships with scientists make chemistry fun and accessible. 15. RiseNY. Watch a film on New York City's history, explore cultural exhibits, and experience a simulated flight over the city using advanced technology. Learn about the engineering behind the simulation. The flight uses cutting-edge tech for a realistic soaring experience. The simulated flight over New York City's landmarks is an epic moment. The attraction celebrates the city's resilience, blending history with technological marvels. 16. Cooper Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum. Discover design history and innovation through exhibits in Andrew Carnegie's former mansion. Use the museum's pen to interact with displays and save designs. The collection spans 30 centuries of design, with over 210,000 objects. Interacting with the pen to create a digital design collection is an epic experience. Rotating exhibits, like those on sustainable design, highlight cutting-edge innovations. 17. The Skyscraper Museum. Learn about skyscraper design and construction through models, photographs, and exhibits. Explore the engineering behind New York City's iconic buildings. Located in Battery Park City, it's dedicated to high-rise architecture. Viewing a detailed model of the Empire State Building is an epic experience. Lectures by architects offer insights into the future of urban design. 18. Building 92, Brooklyn Navy Yard Center. Explore exhibits on the Brooklyn Navy Yard's shipbuilding history and its modern role as a tech hub. View displays on industrial innovation and urban development. The yard was once the nation's premier shipbuilding facility. Seeing artifacts from the USS Monitor is an epic experience. The center showcases the yard's sustainable transformation, a model for urban industry. 19. Waterfront Museum. Visit a historic barge housing exhibits on maritime history and technology. Attend educational programs or view artifacts like navigational tools. The museum is on the Lehigh Valley No. 79, a rare wooden railroad barge. Exploring the barge's exhibits on maritime engineering is an epic experience. The museum's concerts on the barge add a cultural twist to the visit. 20. The Noble Maritime Collection. View maritime art and history exhibits including John A. Noble's works in a former sailor's dormitory. Explore displays on sailors' Snug Harbor's history. The collection preserves a unique aspect of NYC's waterfront culture. Viewing Noble's lithographs of the harbor is an epic experience. Workshops in maritime skills connect visitors to seafaring traditions. New York City likely offers an unparalleled array of scientific attractions that cater to enthusiasts of all disciplines, from natural history and space exploration to mathematics and design. Whether you're marveling at dinosaur fossils, exploring interactive exhibits, or immersing yourself in digital art, these 20 must-do activities promise to ignite your curiosity and leave you with a deeper appreciation for the wonders of science.